Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you don't know me, my name is Ritika and I'm a second year medico at AIMS Rishikesh. So though I keep talking about meat and I keep giving you guys all the tips, tricks and my advice and suggestions in the vlogs, but this is the first time that I'm dedicating a whole video just to meat, and the reason being because I get a lot of comments and I see you guys are anxious. So without further ado, let's quickly get into the video, and I'm gonna keep it short and crisp. I'm not gonna take much of your time. So let's get going. So first of all, it's a fact कि अभी सिर्फ 5 महीने बचे हैं, and जैसे जैसे एग्ज़ाम पास आएगा you will feel anxious and you'll keep overthinking कि मैंने अच्छे से पढ़ाई नहीं की, मैंने रिवाइज नहीं किया, उसने इतनी बार रिवाइज कर लिया, एंड मैंने क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस नहीं किए, मैंने मॉक्स अच्छे से नहीं दिए, एंड अगर मॉक्स दिए तो मेरा स्कोर कहीं स्ट्रक हो गया है, मेरे मार्क्स नहीं बढ़ रहे, एंड trust me, this is not gonna help. You need to keep your nerves calm and your body composed, because the only thing which this will do is increase the chances of your silly mistakes, and we don't want that. So trust me, there's just 3 4 things which you need to do daily, and most importantly consistently, and you're done. Trust me, itna mushkil nahi hai. So I'm gonna tell you what all you need to do, beginning with start dividing your day into halves from now on. And the first half, keep it for your lectures and whatever revision you want to do, and this will play a minor role. And the second half is more important. Practice questions daily. You need to solve MCQs every day, at least 100 to 200 of each subject. And usse bhi zyada important, don't just do MCQs and keep them aside. Solve MCQs, check them, analyze your mistakes, identify your weak areas, and work on them. You need to start studying in a targeted manner now. You need to identify your weak areas, and then you need to decide कि whether I solved the MCQs less, यानी कि मेरी practice कम थी, or I don't know the concept. Once you've categorized, अगर concept weak है, then work on your concept, and then उसके ऊपर solve some 20 30 MCQs or whatever amount you need to solve to make that concept clear. And अगर सिर्फ practice कम थी तो ज़्यादा questions practice कर लो. Simple. एंड दस अनदर थिंग जो बहुत सारे बच्चे सोचते हैं कि पहले सिलेबस कंप्लीट करते हैं एंड उसके बाद क्वेश्चंस कर लेंगे. यू डोंट हैव टू डू लाइक दैट. साथ साथ करो. एंड इवन आई डिड दिस मिस्टेक इन माई फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट कि लास्ट तक सिर्फ सिलेबस ही कर रहे हैं एंड क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस कभी की ही नहीं. सो प्लीज़ डोंट कमिट दिस मिस्टेक. प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस डेली side by side with your syllabus. Coming on to the second important thing, now that you have revised, completed your syllabus, practiced questions, and analyzed your mistakes, you need to analyze your preparation, and for that you need to give mock tests. So for the present time being, start giving weekly mocks and slowly increase the frequency to 2 mocks per week. And last के 1.5 to 2 months में I would suggest you people should give mock tests daily. And it's important to have a good test series in case you're enrolled with a good institute that has need based and NCRT centric mock test. Very well and good. And trust me, don't just give any test series blindly. Give the ones that will add to your productivity and which will give you the feel of real exam, and जिसके जैसे questions NEET exam में आए. You don't need to go too down in the level and बिल्कुल ही JEE mains वाले question भी solve नहीं करने. You need to stick to the NEET pattern. So in case you don't have the option of giving any test series, let me introduce you to Testbook Pass Pro, and these people have really good mock tests with NEET based and NCRT centric questions, and they will provide you with 139 plus mock tests, 90 plus chapter wise tests, 44 plus PYQs, and 20 plus full test. And not just that, you will be getting the detailed solution and analysis of each test, so the mistake identifying part becomes very simple now. And you can also attempt the test any number of times you want. And all of this sounds expensive, but guess what? It is not. So you will be getting the test series just at the price of rupees 449. And right now for 13th and 14th December, there is a 12% discount going on. And for availing that, you need to use my coupon code RTS and you're good to go. So we all know कि कट ऑफ कितना ज़्यादा बढ़ गया and you really need to be accurate in order to ace the exam. And trust me, this is the area where many people lack. People give mock tests, but they just keep the mock test aside after giving it, and they lack in rectifying the mistakes they did. So what I would suggest, जो मैंने personally किया था, is कि I made a file and उसमें I would keep adding the mistake questions from every test, and I used to revise it from time to time. And you need to track down your mistakes, and with time you'll realize that there is a pattern to your mistakes. There are certain kind of questions you constantly get wrong, and there's certain concept based questions which you are not able to solve every time in a mock test. So identify those concepts, and सिर्फ दो पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकती है, या आपको वो कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं आता, एंड अगर कॉन्सेप्ट आता है तो आपने उस पर इनफ क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस नहीं किए. तो कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं आता तो पहले कॉन्सेप्ट रिवाइज कर लो, एंड अगर इनफ क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस नहीं किए तो पिक अ नाइस बुक एंड उस पर कुछ गुड नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस लाइक 10-20, और जितने में भी वो कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाए उतने क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस कर लो. एंड आई पर्सनली बिलीव कि दिस इज़ द बेस्ट मेथड टू बिल्ड योर कॉन्सेप्ट्स, एंड विद टाइम जो स्कोर आपका स्टक हो गया था यू विल सी दैट इम्प्रूविंग, एंड विच विल इंक्रीज योर कॉन्फिडेंस. एंड ऑल्सो अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ कि लास्ट में आते आते, बिकॉज आई गेस 90+ चैप्टर्स हैं, एंड ऑब्वियसली यू विल पैनिक सीइंग इतना सारा सिलेबस, एंड यू विल थिंक कि अब इसे रिवाइज कैसे करूँ. सो नाउ इज़ द टाइम यू नीड टू स्टार्ट कंपाइलिंग योर सिलेबस, बिकॉज यू मे हैव नोटिस्ड कि कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जो आप हर बार रिवाइज करते हो एंड यू थिंक कि ये मुझे आती है, एंड यू गो थ्रू दैट फटाफट से. सो वट यू कैन डू इज़, physics में you can make formula sheets and certain concepts which are important, you feel which are important, and certain concepts you feel you make mistakes in, तो उनको ऐसे plain sheets पर लिखकर उस फाइल में डाल दो हर एक चैप्टर की. and the same you can do for physical chemistry, and in organic or organic chemistry में you can write all the reactions and the pathways which are important, and all the important questions which you find कि हर साल repeat होते हैं उस type के questions. सो इस तरीके से यू कैन प्रिपेयर द शॉर्ट नोट्स, एंड दैट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल. ट्रस्ट मी, लास्ट के 1 महीने में जब आपको बहुत बार रिवाइज करना होगा, सो दैट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल, एंड कंपाइल करके इट विल बी लेस स्ट्रेसफुल एंड इट वुड नॉट लीड टू दैट पैनिक सिचुएशन. एंड विद दिस वी आर डन विद द रोड मैप टू योर लास्ट 5 months, एंड ट्रस्ट मी देयर इज नथिंग लाइक अ स्ट्रैटेजी जो सबके लिए वर्क करती है, but just these 3-4 things which you need to keep in your mind. And there's nothing like topper strategy and all those clickbait videos you see on YouTube to ace the exam. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, खुद सबकी strategy अलग होती है, and you just need these, as I told, कि वही 3-4 चीज़ें ध्यान रखनी होती है, and you're good to go. So I hope this video helps you, and in case you have any doubts you can always write down in the comment section. So that's it, bye bye and all the best.